Hello Grey Group, this is your task for Wednesday. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, so get yourselves all sorted and we'll continue. Okay, so quite simply to begin with, we're going to look at these three sentences and I just want you to decide whether they are correct or incorrect. So I will read them out loud. The first one, I rides my bike around the field. Now, do you think that is correct or incorrect? Yeah, that's incorrect. That doesn't sound right at all, does it? Let's look at the second one. She knows the answer. Is this correct or incorrect? What do you think? Let's see. Yes, that sounds right. She knows the answer. Lastly, they jumps on the bouncy castle. What do you think? Correct or incorrect? Yes, again, that one is incorrect. Now, for those two that are incorrect, can you please write the correct way of writing those sentences? I'll pause the video here. Okay, so for the top sentence, we should have had, I ride my bike around the field. No S there when we're using the pronoun I. They jumps on the bouncy castle. Again, no need for the S there. They jump on the bouncy castle. Hope you found that okay. Let's move on to the next task. So here we have two spinners. On the right hand side we've got the words I, you, we and they, and he, she and it, and then there's a question mark there. The question mark, I will explain that a bit to you in a minute. On the left hand side we've got daily routine. That's something that someone would do every day. Favourite colour, transport to school, the way you get to school, and something about home. So what happens is we're going to spin and then two arrows are going to show you which two parts you need to include in your sentence. So you can see an example at the bottom here. For example, let me just use my pointer. We walk to school would be the pointer pointing to this for we, and transport to school, walk to school. Okay, we walk to school. She lives in Manchester, so she, and then that would be where? Home. She lives in Manchester. Okay, let's spin and see what we get. Okay, so we've got favourite colour and we've got this one here, which means we want you to write, we're using both sets of pronouns. So for example, you might write your favourite colour, starting with I like perhaps, and then finish that sentence. And then also on this side, starting with he, she or it. He, something, the colour, whatever. Okay, so can you write two sentences there? Pause the video. Okay, how did you get on? So if you're using this section and you're saying I like the colour orange, then again the word like doesn't need an S. Or you like the colour orange, we like the colour orange, they like the colour orange. Over on this side, these pronouns, he likes the colour orange, she likes the colour orange, it likes the colour orange. So you need to add the S there for that sentence to make sense. Okay, let's spin again. Okay, this time we've got this set of pronouns here. So it's got to contain that, one of those. And daily routine, something that's done every single day. So for example, it could be I brush my teeth. Pause the video now. Okay, so you should know that when we're using the example like I brush my teeth, I didn't add an S onto the verb brush. Didn't need to add an S for that one. So hopefully you were able to, you can check your verb, your doing word, and check that you haven't used an S there. Okay, let's spin once more. Okay, here we go. So we've now got the pronoun either he, she or it for you to include. And over here we're talking about home, so where somebody lives. Okay, pause the video now and write a sentence. Okay, so we had our example here, she lives with the S on the end of the verb in Manchester. So you might have put she lives in East Harling, he lives in Bridgham, it lives in Thetford. Okay.